Hello, everyone. Welcome to April. My name is Dr. Heather Monty. I'm the founder of Electric Monarch, where we help you start, grow, and scale your drone business. So, I wanted to share with you some of the April drone business updates that we have for you. I've got them all listed on our website. If you go to flyelectricmonarch.com, go to the blog, you can get this information there. If you're watching this on YouTube, I will make sure to put a link to this in the description as well. So for April, we've got a couple different things. We've got our Dronepreneur Academy office hours. If you are an Academy member, this is where you get access to all of my trainings, but then you also get access to live Q&A sessions. We do 2 per month. And in April, we're hosting these on Monday, April 15th and Monday, April 29th at 4 p.m. Eastern. So you can get the links to all of that in the members vault in your learning portal. So if you go to members.flyelectricmonarch.com, log in there, go to the members vault. This is where you will get the links. It is a Google Meet session and you can access the live sessions there. The recordings will also be there. So if you're not unable to attend the live session, you can always watch the recordings. There's also a link there that if you want to pre-submit a question, you're unable to attend, you can pre-submit questions. We actually get a lot of people do that, pre-submitting their questions, and then I answer them during the live Q&A session. So you can do all of that there. Go to your members portal at members.flyelectricmonarch.com. Go to Members Vault. All your information's there. So in April, our offices are closed April 4th through the 8th. I do personally read and respond to all of our emails. So if you send an email between April 4th and 8th, note that there will probably be a delay in a response. So our offices will be closed. And in this month in the Drone MBA program, what we're doing is we're exploring the N part of the Drone MBA, which is navigate certifications and regulations. So this is setting up a compliance program for your business. If you're unfamiliar with the Drone MBA methodology, I've got a couple links here. Ready, Set, Drone is a webinar that I did on an overview of the Drone MBA methodology. We've also got, if you go to flyelectricmonarch.com/drone MBA, we've got all of the different resources that are available for these 8 different steps that I teach in how to start, grow, and scale a drone business. So this is for people who are starting and growing a business in the UAS sector. It's not necessarily a drone if you're a drone service provider. So certainly you can do this if you're a drone service provider, but this is also for people that are creating products around the UAS industry. So hardware, software, training, content, that kind of thing. So this is really just for anybody that's starting something in the UAS sector. So these are the 8 different steps that I teach, and I'm currently developing all of the content in the program. So you can see here what's already available and then what's coming in 2024. So this month, we're really focusing on navigate certifications and regulations, creating your compliance program. If you are part of the Academy, you do have access to the Part 107 course, the Understanding Airspace and VFR sectional charts course as well. And then from there, what we'll do is we'll create a compliance program to make sure that you're in compliance with all of the rules, regulations, things that you need to be in compliance with. We've got some links here that are some previous workshops, events, articles, videos, webinars, etc., that you can watch, you can read, you can take a look at all of these things. These are free resources available for you. So we are not doing a webinar, a business webinar in April. Generally, I do a business webinar, a free one, each month. I'm not doing one in July and I'm not doing one in December. But in April, it is Drone Safety Day. So we're going to be doing some things with our group Educators Who Drone. And if you're not familiar with Educators Who Drone, that is a global community of parents, teachers, pilots, and STEM education advocates who are passionate about using drones in STEM education to create the next generation of innovators, problem solvers, and creative thinkers. So if you are interested in learning more about Educators Who Drone, you can go to educatorswhodrone.com. This is really for people who want to help support teachers, people that are doing after school programs. They're working with young people to develop drone training programs. And this is for the adults. We don't do programs necessarily for kids, but we help the people that are creating the programs for the kids. So we're going to do something for Drone Safety Day for Educators Who Drone. I don't know exactly what just yet. Drone Safety Day is on a Saturday. I know a lot of people have a lot of busy schedule. It's that time of year. It's the end of the school year. There's a lot of stuff going on. So what we'll do, we'll plan something probably for during that particular week. I don't know exactly what yet. I've got a couple of ideas that I'm mulling over, but that's going to be our webinar for the month, is something for Drone Safety Day through Educators Who Drone. Again, you can go to educatorswhodrone.com if you want to learn more about it. We have a free Facebook group. We've got all sorts of different resources, some great stuff there for you. So that's what we've got going on here in April at Electric Monarch. Thank you all, and I'll talk to you soon.